Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a promo code on PrizePicks. So when you open PrizePicks web app, you will see this promo code max bonus, claim your $50 now. So what you need to do is to follow these simple 7 steps. First, open the PrizePicks app or go to the PrizePicks website, this one, and press on login, and then tap account profile, and then go to promo code, bonus, rewards, and then put this promo code max bonus or the promo code that you will see on the web app, and then enter your promo code exactly as given, and then tap apply promo code, and then if required make a deposit. Most codes activate on your first deposit or uneligible deposit amount, and then check your rewards promos or your deposit screen to confirm the bonus credit shown up. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.